follow up from when the frame cracked. The bed and the cab are separated now. Come right on this side and show you the frame repair. Telling a friend of mine about where the frame cracked, and apparently they make a repair channel specifically for this section, and it's tapered right here just where the factory frame is tapered. So I was able to slide that frame in, that channel into the frame, and then I welded it top and bottom, re-drilled for the step support bracket, re-drilled for the body mount. And then whenever I was down here repairing it, I saw somebody else had already put a piece of channel in back here, and it looked like it was repaired, probably class of 58. So I put a fish plate here to tie the two repairs in. The crack was actually about right here for me, so I welded it up on the back side, then put this channel in and welded in this new channel. So hopefully it'll last a few days.